Ultimate survivor. Tardigrade. This miniature marvel is one of the smallest animals on Earth, but also one of the toughest. No bigger than a grain of salt, it lives in damp, mossy places and ponds where it feeds on plant fluids and microbes. But if its habitat dries up, the tardigrade can survive for years in a dehydrated state that would kill any other animal. Incredibly, once it gets wet again, and within just a few minutes, the tardigrade revives and starts feeding as if nothing has happened. Starry eggs. Tardigrades reproduce by laying eggs. Each egg has a hard shell shaped like a starburst. It usually hatches after 2 weeks, but can survive for many months. Water bear. A tardigrade has 8 short stumpy legs and a rounded bulky body. Under a microscope, the shape resembles a tiny bear as it searches its watery home for food, so it is sometimes called a water bear. The tardigrade feeds by piercing the tough-walled cells of plants or microbes to release the juices inside. Dry ton. If the tardigrade runs out of food and water, its body dries up and shrinks into a shapeless bundle called a ton. In this state it can survive extreme cold, scalding heat, and 1,000 times the normal lethal level of radioactivity. Tardigrades have even survived being sent into space. At a glance. Size. Up to 1.2 millimeters long. Habitat. Wet mosses, mud and pondweed. Location. Worldwide. Diet. Algae, plant cells and microbes. Stats and facts. About 900 species. Tardigrades can be found in every type of habitat, from tropical forests to snowy polar areas. Eggs. A female lays up to 30 eggs at a time. These two can survive months with no moisture. Temperature toleration. Tardigrades can survive extreme temperatures of -200 degrees Celsius to 151 degrees Celsius. Water content. Body water content drops to 3% as a ton. When active, it is 85%. Lifespan in ton state. 10 years. Small wonders. Tardigrades are not the only tiny creatures with amazing survival powers. The microscopic deloid rotifers that live in ponds and other fresh waters have the same ability to dry up like a dead leaf but still alive, reviving when conditions improve. They have been known to survive for up to 9 years like this. Their bodies have an amazing ability to repair the damage caused by the drying out, using genetic material obtained from the bacteria and other microbes they eat.